at the delete face or delete part tools up here. So the delete part is found here and the delete face is just next to it. Now this is an example of a cyclonic drive. Have a little Google of it. They are fantastic for, cycloidal drive for reducing speed. They have an offset eccentric shaft in the middle and two of these kind of waveform like teeth that will move around to rotate something, usually driven by a stepper motor or something similar. So the delete part we'll start with first. It's quite straightforward. You can see on the left here it's been used a couple of times. So if I use the rollback bar, you'll see that there are multiple of these kind of like pegs. They have been used, the delete part has been used to get rid of them, to get rid of multiple of them, to leave you with just one. So that's one way, but to show you how it actually works, click on delete part, and then all it asks is your entities to delete. So we could delete this orange section as an example. If I was to click on there, press OK, it deletes that orange part. Quite quick and quite straightforward, save you having to go back into the sketch or modify parts that may be constrained to your section that you've already drawn. So that's the delete part, very, very straightforward, very easy. Delete face, slightly more complicated. Let's say, well, we've got different options here. So let's start with heel. If we want to basically get rid of this part here, we could try and select it. It's going to go red because it doesn't like that. We could select that and it will like it because it's getting rid of all of it and bringing it back down to this solid geometry just here. So if I green tick that, you'll see that's worked quite nicely. I could then also show you how we use the cap tool. So the cap is a bit more interesting. If I click on this fillet here as an example, you'll see that it's given us a cone kind of shape. If I just click on there, it's going to take away that whole part, or that whole section at the top. It can be quite useful for you. Equally, if I get rid of this side, it's probably going to give us a cone, as you can see. So that's basically connecting this geometry at the top to the geometry at the base, getting rid of the side part and the fillet. So lots of different ways you can kind of use it. Clicking on this face at the top, it's got rid of just the fillet and the top part and given us this flat section. So yeah, have a little experiment with that and play around with the cap. You've also got the leave open feature, which, as you can kind of guess, is just going to basically give us a hollow section. So it's taking away this top part, the fillet, and it's given us just this round middle part here. If I was to click on the side, it gets rid of all of this bit apart from the top piece and gives us a hollow section working through. So it's taken away that bottom sketch as well. So it will depend when you're going to use this. More often than not, you're probably going to factor into your modeling by deleting sketches or deleting actual features, but it can be quite useful if you want to quickly delete things that you do not need.